Hello, everyone, and good morning. Good morning. I've got two more D-Stash kits. I just want to start out that I showed in a short, I think it was a short, all my well, not all of them. I'd say 80% of my diamond painting kits. They were laid out on the floor, and I showed you a small pile and a large pile and a pile in the closet. I am not destashing all of those kits. Yes, I do have quite a few, and there's still more. So I am coming up with a game plan of how I'm going to store them because they take up so much room. And what I'm discovering is these boxes take up a lot of room. The canvases themselves do not. So I'm keeping some boxes, different sizes. So if I do sell one in a D-Stash or whatever that's completed, I still have a box that I can ship it in. I'm not keeping all the boxes. My recycle bin's full right now. So I am I'm consolidating, and I'm taking a hard look at all of the paintings to see, am I going to finish them? I average about 50 paintings, big size, small size, and I consider this a small and this size a medium. And then, of course, Diamond Art Clubs, most of them are larges, and my Dreamer designs I consider mediums. So it just all depends on my mood too, and how many diamonds, because the amount of diamonds can seem overwhelming, not really the size. Okay. Okay. What am I destashing today? That's really what you're here for. So let's take a look. Ta-da! Now you might be thinking, Nancy, why are you getting rid of that one? Well, I already completed it, and life's too short to do two. So I've already completed this one, and I think I got it as a birthday gift, but I'm not going to finish it. So we're going to destash it here today, hopefully. All right, let's take a look at this one first. I want to make sure. This one came out really, really nice. And I did add some specials. Let me see. Can I find it real quick? I don't know. No, I can't find it because it's in a frame in the garage. It's going to be put up. Okay, so this one is called Cardinal Christmas. It has 25 colors, and it only has 8,309 drills. I know that sounds like a lot, but it's really not. It is an 11-inch by 14-inch, so you can find a frame anywhere. And it's 28 centimeters by 35.5 centimeters. So it has 25 colors. Super cute. And I did bling up some items on this, if I remember correctly. Here's your toolkit. But you really don't need to bling it up because, if I remember correctly, there is special drills in here. So let's take a look. Okay, we got your greens. We got your dark colors. And that's actually a dark green. Light green, your grays, and dark, sorry, dark crayon. That's actually like a dark purple to brown color, and this is closer to a brown, and that's a brown. The camera can make them look wonky. And here's some bright colors, and here there are some specials. I remember that. And these, I believe, go in the light pole or in the holly. So these are super nice. And there's your reds. And there's your white for the snow. And there you go. Just beautiful. So this one, it doesn't need anything added. Let me roll this backwards. Because it is just adorbs. Take a second to look at that beauty. Isn't that beautiful? I gotta blow my nose, guys. You don't want to hear that. Yep, these big drills go here and here and here. And what I did was I put ABs in the light, if I remember correctly, and I put some ABs in the snow scattered around. And I really liked the way it came out. This one was such a quick finish, and I really enjoyed it. Well, my last, you guys know who I am. These are so special. I love them. So that is Cardinal Christmas. Make me an offer. It doesn't weigh much. So if you put it in with another one that you purchase, I can probably squeeze this in there with whatever you get. So, and this isn't heavy at all. And if you want the toolkit, let me know. I'll send it. But most of us do not need the toolkit. It's just extra weight that you got to pay at the post office. But if you want it, it is available. I've gotten so many new subscribers, and I just want to thank each and every one of you. And I hope you stick around and like what you see. I understand diamond art is not everybody's cup of tea. I understand that, but I appreciate all the support I get. And I hope you find something here that you like. I do have special guests, people in my family that diamond art, and I do show my grandson. He comes on and he talks about the weather and the Titanic and whatever he is into at the moment. We never know, summer to summer. So it's a surprise to me every time I see him. So, all right, the next one is Psychedelic Tiger. I contemplated getting rid of this one or not, but guys, I have so many. I just need to let some go. I went nutso, as everybody does. So this one has 35 colors, 22,932 drills. It is a 36 centimeter by 52 centimeter or a 14.2 inch by 20.5 inch. So this one is bigger. And I think I have opened this one to look at it. Okay. Here is your toolkit. Yep, I did open this one because I put in a different pen for Maybe I didn't open it because this is a special pen that they included. I did get this kit at Walmart. So if you want the special pen, let me know. I will include it. Okay, and here's your instructions. And let me roll it back so that you can see it. Can't believe, guys, I have 981 subscribers. Yay! Okay, here is the tiger, and I'll show you. I'll hold it up. See, it's not really that big. Look at him, though. Isn't he awesome? This one, it looks blurry, but I'll tell you, once you lay the drills down, it will pop better than it does on the camera. And Diamond Dots has this frame around the outside, and the glue is not on here. There is no glue. They are really good with not leaking the glue over. At least I haven't found any that did that. If you have, let me know in the comments. Have you done a Diamond Dots where the glue leaked over onto the patterned frame? Okay, so all right, the colors. Now, let me look. There are no special drills. With Diamond Dots, the way you can tell without even looking at the drills, you look here. And if any of these numbers start with any number other than an 8, because their DMC is 8,000s, any number that starts with a 5 or a 3 or a 6 even, with Diamond Dots, they represent a special drill of some kind. So there you have it. So look at these colors. Look at the pinks and the orange. This is going to come out beautiful. Like I said, I just have so many. And I'm only going... I rolled up my Freedom and put it behind me. Well, it's slowly falling to the ground. Look at that pretty orange. So, look at these colors. Look at that red. So I love to look at the drills, especially before I buy something. Especially on a mystery. I like the sneak peeks because if I don't like the color of the drills, I'm not gonna do it. If it's an ugly color palette to me, it doesn't mean it's truly ugly. It just means to me, it is not appealing. That's a better word. If it is not appealing to me, well, then I'm not going to be happy and I'm not going to get it. And that's the problem with a lot of these Diamond Dots. I can't see the drills till I get it home. They don't have commercials. There's not a lot of people doing unboxings for Diamond Dots. I have reached out and I have not heard. I would love to do PR packages for Diamond Dots, but I kind of do them for free. You know what I mean? This is all we're doing when we do unboxings. We're doing free advertisements for these companies. And you just hope one of them spots you and says, hey, here's a free kit. I love watching you unbox. Could you unbox this one and maybe put some drills on canvas? Quote, quote, as Whitney Diamond Paint so often says. And I think if you get a PR package, you should lay some drills on the canvas. You need to try the full experience so you can give uh, a true review. I love seeing the first unboxing with all the drills, and then show me the process a couple of times with the canvas. And then I want to see how it looks when it's done, because my garden gnomes by Diamond Art Club, I'm not a gnome person, but I watched a YouTuber, I don't remember her name, but I watched a YouTuber do the unboxing and then a few months later did the finish of it. And oh my Lanta, that was beautiful. Went to Diamond Art Club, it was sold out. So I favorited it, wish listed. Soon as it came out, I grabbed it, and I now have the Garden Gnomes by Diamond Art Club, and I can't wait to do them. I can't wait to do all of my projects. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. So make me an offer for one of these two, or maybe both, at pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com, and pamper yourself with one of these beauties. You'll be glad you did, because you'll get them out of my house, and I'll be glad you did. And remember, be kind, everybody. See you on the next one.